Pro-crypto Republican candidate Vivek Ramaswamy has dropped out of the United States presidential election race, ending his nearly year-long campaign. Speaking at a January 16 press conference in Des Moines, Iowa, Ramaswamy told his followers that he would no longer be running for president, stating, "As of this moment, we are going to suspend this presidential campaign. There needs to be an America First candidate in this race," Ramaswamy added, saying that he would be throwing his weight behind former President Donald Trump in the upcoming election. Ramaswamy emerged on the presidential campaign circuit as a relatively unknown candidate, but he quickly garnered a following from the crypto community for his outspoken policy proposals concerning Bitcoin and other digital assets. Ramaswamy was the only presidential candidate to introduce a crypto policy framework. On November 16, he unveiled the Three Freedoms of Crypto, which promised to exempt crypto developers from being held liable for the actions of people who use their code. Additionally, he said the policy outline would provide clear regulatory guidelines for new cryptocurrencies, and prevent any federal agency from creating rules that limited the use of self-hosted wallets. On December 6, 2023, Ramaswamy came down hard on the United States Securities and Exchange Commission and its chair, Gary Gensler, for failing to keep up with crypto regulation. He added that it was nothing short of embarrassing that Gensler couldn't admit before Congress that Ether, ETH, should be considered a commodity. Members of the crypto community were quick to pay their respects to the former candidate, with NIC Carter, a general partner at Castle Island Ventures, lauding Ramaswamy as the most talented Republican candidate in a generation. "Vivek is the most talented new Republican face in a generation. I hope we see more of him." Magazine, Lawmakers Fear and Doubt Drives Proposed Crypto Regulations in U.S. Ripple's XRP loses ground in HVAC's crypto index revamp. The Hong Kong Virtual Asset Consortium has revised its key crypto indexes, notably excluding Ripple's XRP. HKVAC, a non-profit organization that rates digital asset trading platforms and compiles crypto market indexes, announced these revisions in a recent statement. The adjustments include the top 5, top 10, and overall crypto indexes. December 2023 saw a notable shift in the crypto market, with Solana surpassing XRP in market capitalization, becoming the fourth largest cryptocurrency. This was a significant factor in HKVAC's decision to replace XRP with SOL in its top 5 global crypto index. Furthermore, the Avalanche AVAX token made its way into the top 10 index, following a surge in its value amidst a general downturn in the crypto market at the end of 2023. This addition came alongside partnerships between traditional finance businesses like JP Morgan and Deloitte with the Avalanche Foundation for Asset Tokenization Initiatives. HKVAC's January statement also noted the inclusion of new cryptocurrencies such as Internet Computers ICP, Optimism OOP, Injective IINJ, and Immutable IIMX in its global large crypto index. These updates coincide with Hong Kong's continued efforts to strengthen its position in the crypto industry. The region's financial regulator announced in December 2023 its readiness to welcome spot crypto exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This development follows the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of 11 spot Bitcoin ETF applications. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, stated, "Demand for these products has also increased in Hong Kong." In light of these developments, the SFC has introduced regimes that allow the offering of certain virtual asset products to the Hong Kong public with appropriate investor protection safeguards. UNI price is moving higher from the $5.65 support. Uniswap is up 5% and it seems like the bulls could aim a fresh surge toward the $8 zone. UNI price aims higher. After forming a support base above $5.65, UNI started a fresh increase. The bulls were able to push Uniswap's price above the $6 and $6.20 resistance levels, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. There was a break above a key bearish trend line with resistance near $6.60 on the 4-hour chart of the UNI USD pair. The pair even cleared the $6.75 resistance level. It is now approaching the 50% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $8.24 swing high to the $5.67 low. UNI is now trading above $6.50 and the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. Immediate resistance on the upside is near the $6.95 level. The next key resistance is near the $7.250 level. It is close to the 61.8% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $8.24 swing high to the $5.67 low. News BTC. Source: Unist on Trading viewed a close above the $7.25 level could open the doors for more gains in the near term. The next key resistance could be near $7.65, above which the bulls are likely to aim a test of the $8 level. Any more gains might send UNI toward $8.25. Dips supported in Uniswap. If UNI price fails to climb above $6.95 or $7.25, it could correct further lower. The first major support is near the $6.60 level or the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. The next major support is near the $6.25 level. A downside break below the $6.25 support might open the doors for a push toward $6. Technical indicators. For hours MACD, the MACD for UNI/USD is gaining momentum in the bullish zone. For hours RSI, Relative Strength Index, the RSI for UNI/USD is well above the 50 level. Major support levels is $6.60, $6.25 and $6. Major resistance levels is $6.95, $7.25 and $8. Hashkey Group, which operates the Hong Kong-based crypto exchange, has nearly met its $100 million fundraising target, the firm said on Tuesday. Hashkey announced the fundraising round in August, shortly after it won a license from Hong Kong's security regulator to offer retail crypto trading. The firm did not disclose the investors in the round and now has a valuation of $1.2 billion post-raise, giving it a unicorn status. Unicorn is a term used to describe private companies with a valuation of $1 billion or more. In October, CoinDesk reported that crypto fundraising in the third quarter of 2023 reached a 3-year low of $2.1 billion across 297 deals, the smallest since Q4 2020, amid an industry downturn exacerbated by FTX's collapse, with a shift in focus towards early-stage and infrastructure projects. However, given the dynamic rally Bitcoin and other major digital assets had in the fourth quarter of 2023, along with the recent approval of the Bitcoin ETF, many funds are changing their tune and have a sense of optimism going into 2024. The latest funding round results have propelled Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency exchange Hashdex, one of just 2 exchanges approved by local regulators, to claim unicorn status, a label reserved for startup companies achieving a valuation exceeding $1 billion. Despite being the third largest year for crypto venture capital funding, 2023 witnessed a substantial decline compared to the previous year. Hashkey achieves unicorn status with unknown investors. A recent report indicates that both existing and new investors contributed around $100 million in Hashkey's latest funding round. However, the precise source of these funds remains anonymous. Hashkey's valuation has now surpassed the $1.2 billion mark, securing its unicorn status. Insiders disclosed that OKX Ventures, the investment arm of the crypto exchange OKX, played a key role as lead investors in the round. However, neither the exchange nor Hashkey itself has publicly confirmed this information. It comes at a time when crypto funding within the industry has been volatile over the past 12 months. However, August 2023 seemed to be a turning point. Being Crypto reported in August 2023 that venture capital funding in the crypto industry surged significantly, compared to the previous month, July, suggesting a potential market turnaround. Crypto venture funding totaled $660 million in August. According to the report, this was a 20% increase over the figure for July, which was $550 million. In a recent report, Galaxy Research highlighted that 2023 marked the third largest year for crypto venture capital funding. However, it experienced a substantial decrease from the preceding year, 2022. Bain Crypto VC capital invested and deal count by year. Source: Galaxy Research. Hashkey has always pursued unicorn status. It has always been a goal in mind for Hashkey to reach $1 billion valuation in the near future. The development emerged when Hong Kong was in the planning stages of regulating crypto companies under a new licensing rule, which came into effect in mid-2023. Meanwhile, around the same time, Being Crypto reported that Hashkey was in the early stages of discussions of raising $100 to $200 million in funding at a $1 billion valuation. Just a few months later, it was announced that Hashkey became the first crypto exchange to offer retail trading to customers in Hong Kong. This came amid Hong Kong's financial chief, Paul Chan, declaring, "Now is the best time to invest in Web3." Furthermore, in June 2023, Hong Kong's Legislative Council member Johnny Ng urged Coinbase and other global virtual asset trading operators to apply for a license of operation in the region. The lawmaker promised to provide any assistance to help these firms' applications.